Croatian automotive startup Rimac has unveiled its latest project, Verne, a mobility-as-a-service initiative aimed at revolutionizing ride-hailing services. Named after the famous science fiction author Jules Verne, the project seeks to launch fleets of fully autonomous electric vehicles that offer spacious interiors and cargo capacity, all within the footprint of a subcompact SUV. Verne, previously known as Project 3 Mobility, was co-founded by mate Rimac and Marco Pajkovi in 2019. It has received significant funding from various investors, including a subsidiary of the Saudi sovereign wealth fund, Kia, and the European Commission. The vehicle's design, by Adriano Mudri, features integrated sensors and a design inspired by Jules Verne's Nautilus submarine. Before Verne's service is rolled out in any city, a mothership is built to serve as a hub for inspection, maintenance, cleaning, and daily charging of the vehicles. The charging will initially be at 100 kilowatts via CCS plugs, with the possibility of NACS ports in the future. The Verne experience is tailored through a smartphone app, allowing users to customize all aspects of the cabin to their personal preferences. This includes comfort, ambient lighting, temperature, and even scent, differentiating it from other ride-hailing services. The Verne vehicle is designed as a two-seat hatchback, based on data showing that 9 out of 10 rides are used by 1 or 2 people. Despite its compact size, it offers ample interior space, comparable to a Rolls-Royce. The doors slide forward for easy access, and the seats offer various positions for passenger comfort. Safety features include knee airbags and shoulder belts programmed for less restrictive restraint. The autonomy programming is outsourced to Mobileye, an Israeli tech company, ensuring safe and efficient navigation within geofenced urban areas. Verne's chassis employs skateboard construction, carrying a 60 kWh battery pack, a front-mounted motor, and parts of the HVAC system. The battery is expected to last 14 to 17 hours in urban use and recharge in 30 minutes. The vision for Verne is to complement public transportation, reduce traffic, and free up parking spaces. The initial rollout will cover airport transfers and trips within a quadrant of Zagreb, Croatia, with 40 vehicles. There are currently no plans to bring Verne to the USA due to challenges posed by unbelted occupant crash safety tests.